The foam paper manufacturing machine is an ideal tool for entrepreneurs looking for eco-friendly and profitable solutions. This machine transforms raw materials into durable and versatile foam paper, perfect for creating packaging, protective covers for fragile products, or even food trays. Its efficient design and ease of use will make you wonder why you didn't get one sooner. In terms of profitability, if you produce 500 trays a day and sell them at 50 cents each, you could generate up to $7,500 a month. You can also specialize in niches like custom packaging for handmade products, increasing your profit margins even more. With an investment of just $1,720, this machine offers you the opportunity to enter the sustainable and profitable packaging business. And if you're thinking about expanding your business into other processing sectors, the next machine I'll present to you will let you enter the food industry with a specialized approach. Smart Lawn Mowing Robot. Introducing the Smart Lawn Mowing Robot, your new personal gardener who works without complaining about the heat or asking for breaks. With GPS technology, this little genius mows the grass precisely, quietly, and at an impressive speed, up to 1,430 square feet per hour. It even recharges itself, and you can control it from your phone, Alexa, or Google Home. The finishing touch? It adjusts the cutting height to leave your lawn looking magazine-worthy. Now, let's talk business. If you charge $50 per session and attend just 10 gardens per month, that's already $500 in profit. Or, if you prefer, you can rent the robot by the day to those who need a temporary gardener. For $2,499, this machine not only makes your work easier, but it also opens the door to a modern and profitable business. It's time to mow lawns and boost your income. If you're enjoying this type of content, don't forget to subscribe and support us on our way to 100,000 subscribers. Your support makes a difference and motivates us to keep bringing more innovative ideas. Click the subscribe button now. Alright, let's keep going. Cold beverage vending machine. The cold beverage vending machine is like a 24/7 convenience store. It never closes, never complains, and is always ready to offer cold drinks instantly. It keeps sodas, juices, and waters perfectly chilled, and with just a press of a button, it serves the customer. It accepts cash and card payments, and while you take care of restocking it, it handles the selling. The business is simple. Place it in strategic locations like gyms, offices, or schools. If you make 50 sales a day at $1 or $2 each, you could generate up to $1,500 per month with little effort. The best part? It works for you, even while you sleep. For just $2,000, you can have an autonomous, efficient business with high earning potential. And if you're looking to expand your offering and offer more than just drinks, the next machine I'll show you lets you provide fresh and delicious products with the same efficiency. The vending machine for pastries is an automatic bakery that works 24/7 without breaks or complications. With an advanced design, it keeps breads and cakes fresh, ready to satisfy any craving instantly. Perfect for those looking for quick, delicious, and convenient options in high-traffic areas. As for the profit potential, if you place this machine in a shopping mall, office, or school, and sell between 50 and 100 products daily at prices ranging from $2 to $5 each, you could generate over $3,000 a month. Additionally, you can offer artisan breads or cakes for special occasions, adding a premium touch. For just $2,450, this machine not only makes it easier to start a business, but turns every bread and cake into a constant source of sweet income. And if you're looking to diversify your fresh product offering even more, the next machine I'll show you will allow you to add an even more irresistible touch to your business. Fresh, automatic donuts, all with minimal effort. Mini Automatic Electric Donut Maker. The Mini Automatic Electric Donut Maker is an efficient and profitable option for those looking to start a business in the food industry. With a 12-liter capacity and adjustable temperature controls, it ensures that each donut is perfect. Made of stainless steel, it's compact, durable, and easy to clean, making it an excellent choice for restaurants, cafes, or entrepreneurs. As for profits, if you produce 100 donuts a day and sell them at $1 each, you could generate $3,000 a month. Additionally, you can increase your profitability by offering personalized donuts for special events or creating premium packages with exclusive toppings. For just $176, this machine is an affordable investment that can help turn your idea into a profitable business. And if you're looking to expand your business with value-added products, the next machine I'll show you will allow you to diversify your offering even further, opening new opportunities in the textile printing market. Up to this point, do you think any of these machines could help in your business? If so, let us know which one in the comments. We'd love to hear your opinion. Alright, let's continue with more ideas. DTF Printer. The DTF printer is an advanced machine that allows you to create detailed and vibrant designs on a film that can then be transferred to almost any type of textile. T-shirts, bags, sweatshirts, and more. With its direct-to-film technology, this printer is ideal for creative entrepreneurs who want to offer high-quality custom products and stand out in the market. If you personalize 10 t-shirts a day and charge $15 per design, you could generate $4,500 a month. Additionally, you can work with local businesses, sports teams, or events, allowing you to produce in bulk and expand your reach. With an investment of $3,766, this printer gives you the opportunity to create unique products and open the door to a highly profitable business. If you're interested in further expanding your business options, the next machine I'll show you will let you venture into the animal feed production sector with an efficient and automated process. The mini animal feed pellet machine turns simple, raw materials like straw, stems, or corn into compact pellets, ideal both as animal feed and eco-friendly fuel. This multifunctional chef works with electric, diesel, gasoline motors, or even with a tractor, making it adaptable to different needs and conditions. As for profits, if you sell 20 kilo sacks for $15 each and produce 10 sacks a day, you could generate up to $4,500 a month. From farms to sustainable energy companies, the market is vast and filled with opportunities. For just $400, this machine is an excellent option to start an innovative and versatile business. And if you're thinking of diversifying your business further and adding a more attractive and in-demand product, the next machine I'll show you can help you enter the lucrative world. Automatic Candy Manufacturing Machine. The automatic candy manufacturing machine is your perfect ally to venture into the candy industry. With this machine, you can mix, mold, and produce candies or gummies with precision and customization, standing out in a competitive market. The ability to create unique flavors and shapes makes each candy special. Speaking of profits, if you sell 200 packages of custom candy at $10 each with a 50% margin, you could generate $1,000 a month. Additionally, the market for themed, healthy, or event-specific products is booming, giving you even more opportunities. With an investment of $3,858, this machine turns your creativity into sweets and your sweets into profits. And if you're looking to further expand your business options, the next machine I'll show you will help optimize textile production, opening new opportunities for customization. Dry Ice Cleaning Machine. The dry ice cleaning machine works like a facial scrub for motors and machinery, using supersonically propelled dry ice particles to efficiently remove carbon deposits, residue, and dirt. Thanks to a controlled micro-explosion, it cleans without leaving a trace, ensuring flawless results without damaging surfaces. Speaking of profitability, cleaning services with this machine can charge between $50 and $150 per job. If you clean 20 motors a month, you could generate over $2,000 per month. Additionally, since it's an eco-friendly process, you'll attract customers looking for more sustainable solutions. For just $1,899, this machine can be your entry into a profitable business. And if you're thinking about diversifying your offering further, the next machine I'll show you will allow you to enter the world of manufacturing innovative and profitable products. 3D Scanner. The 3D Scanner is a portable and practical tool that turns any physical object into a detailed digital model with precision. Its anti-vibration technology ensures that the scans remain consistent, even with slight movements, and its full-color scanning capability produces results as sharp and detailed as if a digital artist had created them. Perfect for both beginners and professionals, this scanner is easy to use and ideal for a wide range of applications. Speaking of opportunities, offering 3D scanning services could open new doors in the business world. From designers and architects to video game creators, the market is full of possibilities. If you charge $50 per scan and complete a couple of projects a week, you could generate $400 or more per month. Additionally, if you specialize in digitizing antiques or unique pieces for collectors, you could enter a highly profitable niche. With an investment of just $359, this scanner gives you access to the exciting world of 3D digitization. And if you're already thinking about how to keep your equipment and workspace clean to make the most of your tools, the next machine I'm going to show you is the perfect solution. Fish Deboning Machine. The fish deboning machine is a precision tool that efficiently separates meat, bones, and skin, optimizing the fish processing process. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it meets the strictest hygiene standards and ensures superior performance, eliminating the need for manual labor. In terms of profitability, if you charge $3 per kilogram processed, you could generate $500 weekly by working with wholesale clients like fishmongers and restaurants. Moreover, by reducing product waste, this machine improves efficiency and profitability, making it a key investment for any food industry business. With an investment of $4,940, this machine has the potential to transform the way you operate in the fish processing market. And if you're thinking about expanding your business into other sectors that require efficiency and automation, the next machine I'll show you could be the perfect solution for maintaining and caring for green spaces.